In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the list ID in ClickUp. The list ID is really important if you're working with automations, integrations, or using the ClickUp API. It's basically the unique identifier for a specific list inside your workspace. Once you know where to find it, the whole process is quick and easy. Let's walk through it together step by step. First, start by going to your list view in ClickUp. Open ClickUp in your browser and navigate to the exact list you're interested in. Make sure you're actually inside that list view, not just the folder or space. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see all the tasks inside that specific list on your screen. At the very top of the page, on the left-hand side, look for the project or location name of your list. Just next to the little star icon, you'll see a drop-down area that shows where this list lives in your workspace. Go ahead and click on that project drop-down. This opens a small menu related to the list you're currently viewing. In that drop-down, you'll see several options. What you want to look for are the three small vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those three dots. This is where ClickUp hides some of the more advanced or less frequently used actions. When that menu opens, one of the options you'll see is Copy Link. Click on Copy Link. This will copy a direct link to the current list onto your clipboard. You won't see anything change on the page, but the link is now ready to be pasted. Next, open a new browser tab or window. Click into the address bar at the top and paste the link you just copied. You can use your usual paste shortcut or right-click and choose Paste. You don't have to load the page again if you're already logged in. We're mainly interested in looking at the structure of the URL itself. Now, take a look at that URL in your browser's address bar. You'll see several sections separated by forward slashes. What you want to do is click and highlight the characters that appear after the very last forward slash in the link. That final string of characters is your list ID. You can copy it and use it wherever you need it, such as in integrations, scripts, or external tools that connect to ClickUp.